Tips for babysitters and nannies. Hands-on learning activities. As a babysitter and a nanny, I take hands-on learning activities very seriously. There's so much you can do with children to help them learn and grow from birth to 12 years old, specifically toddler to preschool, getting them prepared for school. There's so much you can do to help a child learn and grow. And playing with toys is like the biggest hands-on activity ever. You're not just sitting there playing with them. You are going over colors, you're going over numbers, you're counting, you're doing patterns, you're doing shapes, you're singing, you're reading. Interact with them on their level, on the floor, engaging with them. You should not just be like sitting down just watching them while they play with themselves. Now, when they get about 1.5, 2 to 3 years old, yes, they do like to parallel play where they want you to, they're more sufficient. So they do just want you to sit there and they'll let you know and communicate, you know, this is my time, to myself. They will do that and communicate, like, let me play with myself. And you can sit there and watch them, but also play with them. So I've, take care of a 1.5 year old, and she's in that stage where she wants to do everything herself because she's very independent. I taught her very well, and she wants to play with the blocks by herself. Well, that's fine. I allowed her to sit there and play with the blocks, but I wasn't on my phone. I wasn't doing something else. I was sitting on the floor with her and I was playing with my blocks. We were playing with the blocks together, but separately. And that teaches children, um, it gives them secure attachment to know that if they need someone, they're right there, but that they can also do something on their own, still enjoy their time, still learn, still play. But if they need you, you're right there. And that not only helps self development, but it helps learning and academic development, because there are times where I would add to her blocks, teaching her to share, take turns, and without getting sad or upset, and being able to also communicate my turn, or may I have please, and then also communicating, okay, I'm not done yet, stuff like that. So hands-on activities, and also doing arts and crafts. Again, I am a former preschool teacher. If you are a babysitter and a nanny and you've never taught in a school environment, that's okay. But this is why I made these videos, to help you understand and learn that as a babysitter or a nanny, you should be providing care like a teacher, providing a structured schedule and routine, doing hands-on arts and crafts with them, even as a baby, a 3, 4, 5, 6 month old, doing hand and finger paint and footprints for arts and crafts, stuff like that. It is very crucial. It helps with their development. It helps them be advanced for their age, and it could go a long way in helping the parent as well.